All right, so I'm in the side input for my Amazon stick, but now we want to try to figure out how to get out of that and back to regular TV. So what you got to do is you got to go to input. Almost every TV, if you get lost and you can't figure out why you can't get your show back on, usually if you go to the input or the menu, it's going to give you the cable input, the HDMI inputs, your Fire Stick input. And all you got to do is click that and then use this to navigate. And once you find the one you need, you click on that. All right, we're going to use these control arrows to move up and down the inputs. We're going to click the input button. It's going to give us this box. You got TV, video, component. We're going to slide up to TV and then we're going to hit OK. Bam, there you are. Now you're on TV. And then you got to go to your other remote over here and click the select button. Here, watch. And that just opens that up. All right, so then to get out of it, to turn it off, I just go here. That's it. So that's Dish, I think, which is a ridiculous price. Anyway, that's how it works. It's pretty simple. Just remember, you got to go to the input. Change your input so you can go back to your TV or your cable or to your HDMIs on the side or your Fire Stick. All right, peace out. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to use your TV and stuff like that.